Hey, get me all broken. Oh, God! Oh, pain, the pain! Oh, God! No. I live in a box. Oh, water everywhere! Yeah. Water everywhere! Thank you, darling. Refreshingly sweet. Don't get my box wet. So, what do you want to do? I gotta pull myself together. No, not that. No. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Boring. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright? Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. That's my world. Wanna trade places? I'm not happy that way. I wish you would last forever. What do you think I'm doing, buddy? I just call her now. I'm a pirate. Arr! Just kidding. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? The end is here. I feel the earth move under my feet. Oh, I'm doomed. There goes the sequel. Mayday, mayday! Rock and roll! Armageddon! You might want to put that back. Catastrophe! Ah! This is very unstable. Apocalypse! Don't! Oh, the earth moved for me. Care to dance? Matryoshka. Oh! What's going on? That's not right. No. Siri, call the ambulance. What's wrong with you? Oh! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? I'm out! I'm out! My God, why? I don't get it. Well. Do you like playing games? Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Do I look tasty? Mind if I catch a nap here? Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Pardon me. No, not that. Oh, excuse me. Ow! No. Yeah. I'm considering a career change. Choose something else. Hey, it's lonely in here. Matryoshka! I'm burning! Open a window! No. Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun. But he's angry.
Sleep, little one.
Ouch!
Stop
He's out the hole. You're a bad person.
Destroy all buddies.
That's not good. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. I gotta pull myself together. I live in a box. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Fetch me some coffee, please. Help me! Hey, get me all broken. Don't get my box wet. Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Mama told me not to go. I live in a box. Steamboat Willie. I want to see the basement in the Alamo. Boring. You might want to put that back. Hey, take your time. Nothing is safe. Read directions. That's not right. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? No, not that. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Pagliaccio!